for Pink Jeep Tour.
So here we are, about to embark on the Pink Jeep Tour. We're doing the Broken Arrow tour. I think it's a 2-hour tour from 5 to 7. We were supposed to do a 3-hour tour doing the scenic rim trail, but that's too icy to do, so they changed it up on us. This is actually the second time we're doing this. We did this once in Antigua, and I won a pen on that trip, so. But this should be good. Hopefully they'll let me drive. I doubt it, but it should be a good time.
No, we're not gonna roll over, right? Pretty cool. So yeah, a lot of the tour is that kind of stuff, up and down on the rocks.
The pen that Gary was referring to in the intro was won by answering a children's trivia question on the tour. Instead of letting a child answer the question, he raced to answer and snatched the pen and still brags about it to this day. That's my husband! Stop number 1.
So close your eyes until I say
We did the Broken Arrow Trail on this Pink Jeep Tour, and our tour started at 5 p.m., so we had pretty amazing sunset views towards the end. This tour was 2 hours long, and there were 6 other people with us in the Jeep, well, 7 if you count the driver. There were 2 stops along the way, Submarine Rock and Chicken Point. This was a fun 4x4 adventure. Our Jeep climbed up and down rocks, ruts, and roots, which made for a bumpy ride with lots of laughs. If you're going to book a Pink Jeep Tour in Sedona, we recommend doing so in advance. We did this on a weekday in March, and some of the time slots were completely sold out. If driving on uneven terrain makes you nervous, or if you have a fear of heights, this tour probably isn't for you. But if you're a daredevil and an adrenaline junkie like we are, you'll have a blast. We absolutely loved the stops on the tour. We were able to enjoy Golden Hour as Sedona's infamous red rocks lit up in shades of gold, and it was truly breathtaking. If you have the opportunity to do a tour around sunset, do it. You won't be disappointed. There were some really cool rock crawling sections of this tour, and we were impressed by how much a Jeep could climb with so many people inside. Pink Jeep Tour is the only off-road company permitted to drive this trail, so we definitely got a one-of-a-kind experience. I think this tour gave Gary a lot of ideas of what to do with his Jeep when we move to Arizona in a few years.
The road. No, that's not wrong. The camera doesn't do it justice.
He does this.
It's only dangerous if it's wet and muddy.
I'm trying not to wind up in Frank's head.
Yeah, this one's interesting when it's raining. Sometimes it's a series of controlled slides. Oh yeah. And a I said it's a controlled slide. She's like, Daniel, that's an oxymoron.
Yeah.
And I'm like, look, if you know where it's going to slide, how far it's going to slide, what direction it's going to slide in, that's a controlled slide.
Yep. That is true.
It's like that game they do in the Olympics.
Yeah.
On the ice.
Pink Jeep Tour, thank you for a fantastic experience. We had so much fun and we'd love to do this again one day. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at Handstands and Handcuffs to see our upcoming adventures.